So this horizontal fragmentation of account relation, it is already done in the last lab, as far I know, as far I have checked your copy, right?
Yes, sir.
So today you will do the vertical fragmentation part. Okay, you will go through this employee info table. For that, you will create one employee info table. ध्यान से सुनना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. पहले आप लोग employee info table, you will create that one, and you will keep at least these columns. What are they? The customer name, branch name, account number, balance, tuple ID. These things, these columns should be there in that employee info table. After that, you will put at least 15 tuples to this relation. Okay, got it? So when you will do that, you will perform vertical fragmentation on this table with respect to these two. That is, first one, that will be deposit one table where you will keep the result, and the result will be from the project operator on the employee info table, and there, what are the columns that you are selecting? That is branch name, customer name, and tuple ID. Okay, and after selecting this from employee info, you will keep this in deposit one. So we will call it as a vertical fragmentation. Why? Can anybody answer this?
So column wise it is fragment.
Yes, we are trying to do it sub-schema wise or schema wise. Okay. Then, similarly, in the next assignment, you will do the vertical fragmentation with respect to account number, balance, tuple ID. Okay, all right. Then the next assignment will be, you will try to join this deposit one and deposit two table. What I have said, मैंने क्या बोला आप लोगों को? Join. Remember, in our DBMS class, we have discussed about join. And you have got it, left outer join, right outer join, okay, full outer join. This join, self join, every possible joins that we can perform with respect to DBMS relations. We have already discussed our DBMS lecture. You will try to join these two relations, deposit one and deposit two, that you have got from the vertical fragmentation of this employee info relation. Got my point? Here, I am not putting any restriction. You may go for any join that is possible. In fact, I will say that try to perform all the joins. All the joins means left outer, right outer, complete, then self, then every possible join possible. You will try to impose them with respect to deposit one and deposit two. Is my question, is my assignment clear to you? If you face any difficulty, obviously you will inform me, means beforehand, then I will again discuss the joint topic in the next class. But today, in this practical session, you will try to perform it. All of you are ready to do that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then coming to the third assignment. ठीक है, थर्ड असाइनमेंट में क्या करेंगे हम? देखो, let me clear this first. You will create an environment where you will show schema, and there are two sub schemas under one schema. Third assignment and the last assignment of today's class, आप लोगों को क्या करना, एक स्कीमा क्रिएट करोगे. कैसे करोगे ये थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करोगे, उसके बाद खुद ही करने की कोशिश करोगे. प्रॉब्लम होगा, ऑफ कोर्स डेफिनेटली आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, बट आज आप लोग ट्राई करोगे. ओके, स्कीमा बनाओगे और स्कीमा के अंदर दो सब स्कीमा बनाओगे. ठीक है, मैंने क्या बोला? यू विल create two sub schemas under this one schema, schema 1, and this is a sub schema 1.1, subschema 1.2. Now, in anyhow, you will try to make a communication or you'll try to create a link between these two subschema. कुछ भी करके आप लोग इन दोनों सबस्कीमा के बीच में कुछ रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश कर रहा होगे ताकि ये दोनों लिंक हो जाए. Is my explanation is clear to you? अगर बोलोगे तो फिर से रिपीट करके दे रहा हूं. एक स्कीमा बनाओगे सबसे पहले, ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल क्रिएट वन स्कीमा. उसके अंदर क्या रहेगा? दो सब स्कीमा, ठीक है. सब स्कीमा के अंदर भी कुछ भी आप रख सकते हो, ठीक है. क्या कुछ रख सकते हो? यू विल डिसाइड, यू विल लेट मी नो. ओके. उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा करके इन दोनों के बीच एक रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश करोगे. इन दोनों के बीच मतलब सबस्कीमा 1, सबस्कीमा 1.1 एंड सबस्कीमा 1.2. अब इसके बीच रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए इसके कंपोनेंट्स के बीच भी रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश करोगे. दैट इज आल्सो फाइन, बट यू विल डू इट. So is this question or is this last question is clear to you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
come
sir.
on. Now you will try to do it and you'll show me before 2 p.m. Okay, you'll show me means you will post in the group. Now, without wasting your time, I hope that you have already installed your Oracle or MySQL, whatever, what you are using now. Oracle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10G use कर रहे हो या कुछ और use कर रहे हो?
सर 10G था, आपने जो दिया था वो लास्ट.
ओके, ठीक है. तो फिर अभी और एक छोटा मोटा काम आपको दे रहा हूँ. आप लोग ये फाइंड आउट करोगे क्या हम क्लाउड में, ठीक है, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, ओके, दैट शुड बी ओपन वन. ऐसा क्या हमें मिलेगा, मतलब हम किस में ये सारे प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ क्लाउड में क्या डेटाबेस हम, आई सपोज आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस with respect to any cloud that may be your Amazon, Google, but that should be a free one, ठीक है, जहाँ मैं MySQL यूज कर सकता हूँ. तो ये आप फाइंड आउट करोगे कि कहाँ पे आप करोगे, ठीक है. This is more simple assignment for you. You will tell me in the next class. Okay, but these 3 assignments should be completed before 2 p.m. So if you all are agree, then I'm going to close it now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.